Hey, it's Brian from Silverathlete, and it's a Saturday and I'm finishing up what I call a layman Murph. Now, with Memorial Day having just gone by and so many people doing a full Murph in commemoration and recognition of all the fallen veterans, I thought I'd do a version that you can work at doing if you're not quite in good shape, and some of you may be able to do it now. I did the Murph last 2 years and decided not to do it this year because I have a couple other projects going on. For those that don't know, Murph is a CrossFit routine where you run a mile, you do 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 air squats, finish with another mile. You do it within 75 minutes. And most of the people who are the real serious athletes do it with a 20-pound military vest. Well, the version I'm doing today is a little more manageable in that I ran a mile. I am doing 50 pull-ups assisted with a band. I'm doing 100 push-ups, and I'm doing 150 air squats, and then finish with another mile. Now, I think that's something that is achievable if you work at it without getting too crazy, especially if you're in my age bracket. I'll be 57, so yeah. If you're looking for a program, both nutrition and fitness, and you want to learn how to eat healthy the rest of your life, and you want to learn how to exercise without going to the gym or using weights, Silverathlete has a system that and a program that I personally developed and I use every day that will allow you and teach you how to do this on your own. And you deserve to feel good. You deserve to lose weight, to feel better than you have in years, to get off all those prescription meds, and just eat cleaner and feel better, not have so many aches and pains. Now, you will have aches and pains from the exercise, but it's completely different than the kind of chronic pain that some of you have and that I've had in the past. So we have both a self-directed program with accountability and nutrition through video courses. And if you're in the Bay Area, I do one-on-one personal training as well. Look me up. I'll put my contact information. It's in the, I'll put it in the bottom of the caption. But if you want it here, it's Brian, B-R-I-A-N, at silverathlete.net. Regardless, stay healthy, my friends. Eat better. Move towards a more plant-based diet. Exercise 3 to 4 times a week, including cardio and body weight work. And we'll see you in the next video. Have a good weekend. Bye.